This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Wiper blade replacement. Windshield wiper blades. Lift the arm assembly away from the glass for clearance and use a small screwdriver to lift the locking tab. Rotate the blade and unhook it from the arm to detach it. Place the blade onto the arm, then slide the blade up into the U-shaped section of the arm until the blade clicks into place and snap the cover closed. An audible click can be heard when the blade is locked into place. Lower the arm to the windshield. Rear wiper blade. Pull the arm nut cover ends outwards and pull the cover away from the arm. Then lift the wiper arm away from the glass. Lift the arm assembly away from the glass and pull the bottom side of the arm out from the locking clip. Then rotate the arm over and out to detach the wiper blade from the arm. If necessary, place a folded rag between the rear wiper arm and the glass to prevent the arm from scratching the glass. Place the blade onto the arm, then rotate the wiper blade down onto the arm and snap the blade into place. An audible click can be heard when the blade is locked into place. Lower the arm back onto the glass.